Hey everybody, Phil Kempf here. A little DIY project I did not too long ago, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. I needed to put a shutoff valve for my water line coming into the barn here. It's over here. Yeah, that's the barn. And because the water meter to this thing is like way over there. I'm going to try to show it to you here. If I could get this flip. If you see that tall right there, the water meter is just a little bit to this side of it, and it's got over to here. Now I'm going to walk over there and show you. Yeah, anybody got a tractor and a bush hog? Bring it over, because I need it. My mower won't go through this. So here's what I ended up with. Alright. Right here is my shutoff. Okay? Which makes it a lot nicer. Then I wanted a water filtration system, and I hunted around, and I came up with this. This is the same water filter that's used on an RV. So I made it to where it could come apart. You could take it off, unscrew it off, and change it out and put another one on. Well, this thing's been running for about 2 weeks now, and I don't have any problem with it at all. I've got filtered water throughout the entire barn. So anyway, I thought I'd just share that with you, and we'll see all you guys next time. Take care.